Let's work on this. It says, using Pascal triangle, solve these two. Okay? All we just need to do is simple. We simply put 1, 1, 1, 1. This plus this is 2, 1. This one is for these two. We need for these two. That is 1, 3, 3, 1. Okay? So this is for this second one. So let's go for the first one first. That is to say, s plus y to the power of 2 is equal to, the first thing I need to do, because I know that this line is for it, I will simply concentrate on this line. Okay? By writing out 1, 2, 1, the coefficient. Then I combine the s and y. S, y, s, y, s, y. Okay? Then this is plus, I put the plus. Then what I need to do for x now, I will put this 2 for x. That is 2. Then I reduce it 1. I reduce it 0. Okay? For this, I start from 0, 0, 1, 2. That is all. Remember, this is 1. This is s squared. Y raised to the power 0 is 1. So it means what we are going to derive from here is s raised to the power 2. Then this is 2 sy. Why this is 1, s to the power 0 is 1. That is 1 multiplied by 1 is 1. Multiplied by this is y squared. So this is the answer for the first one. So the second one says we should find s plus y raised to the power of 3. All we need to do is write out the coefficient 1, 3, 3, 1. Okay? Then we combine this together. I'm giving you the easiest way of recurring. Then I put plus, plus, plus in between. Okay? Now this is 3. I will start this s with 3. Then I reduce, I get 2. Reduce, I get 1. Reduce, I get 0. For the y, I will start from 0. Then 1, 2, 3. 1 is decreasing. The other is increasing. That is all. You agree with me? Y raised to the power 0 is 1. Multiplied by this one is 1. So what we have left here is this. This is 3 s raised to the power 2y. This is 3 s y squared. This is y raised to the power of 3. This is the final answer. Okay? Hope you understand this. Thank you for viewing.